Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to purchase games on Steam by utilizing your Steam wallet. We will make this procedure straightforward so you can start playing your new titles immediately. Begin by opening the Steam client on your computer. This app is your portal to a massive gaming library, so ensure it is properly installed and fully updated before you start. Once the application is running, you must sign in. If you aren't logged in yet, hit the login button. You will be asked for your account name and password. Double-check these credentials to prevent any access errors. After typing your info, click Sign In to reach the Steam home screen. This dashboard allows you to manage your library, browse the store, and view account settings. Next, head to your profile section located in the upper right corner of the window. Click on your username or avatar to open the menu. From there, select the View My Wallet option. Your Steam wallet acts as a digital account for platform-specific transactions. To put money in it, click on the option to add funds. Steam supports various payment types, such as credit cards or PayPal, depending on your location. Pick your preferred method. Now, input your payment card details and billing address. Accuracy is vital here to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Press Continue once the form is complete. With your wallet funded, navigate to the Store tab to find a game. You can browse the featured section or use the search bar. When you find a title you want, click the Add to Cart button. When you are ready, select View Cart to check your items. Look out for any active sales or bundles to save money. Inside the cart, click Continue to Payment. Choose your Steam wallet as the primary payment source. If the wallet balance doesn't cover the full price, select a secondary payment method for the remainder. Provide any required billing info again and hit Continue. Finally, follow the remaining prompts to complete the order. This usually involves a final confirmation and agreeing to the terms of sale. Once finished, the game is yours and will appear in your library for downloading. That is the simple way to use your Steam wallet for purchases. Enjoy your gaming.